Mr. STEM, we are expecting a baby. We have been hearing a lot about umbilical cord blood stem cells. Please help us understand what they are.
Hey, most of the expecting parents have these doubts. So, let's start with the basics. What is cord blood? Cord blood is the blood within your newborn baby's umbilical cord, and it contains pristine and powerful stem cells. What are stem cells? Stem cells are the basic building blocks of your body. They are responsible for formation of tissues, organs, and can regenerate into healthy functional cells such as blood cells, nerve cells, immune cells.
Mr. STEM, can you tell us what can cord blood stem cells do and why should we preserve them?
Stem cells have a remarkable ability to multiply and differentiate into specialized functional cells, replace diseased cells, and can heal any damages in the body. You see how smart and powerful we are? Let me tell you some more benefits of stem cell preservation. Umbilical cord stem cells are already being used to treat more than 80 life-threatening diseases. Look, I have listed a few for you. Blood cancers such as leukemia, hemoglobinopathies such as sickle cell disease, thalassemia, immune deficiencies, and metabolic disorders. Work in progress for treatments such as congenital heart disease, juvenile diabetes, cerebral palsy, total hearing loss, traumatic brain injury, pediatric stroke. So smart and adaptable. Stem cells from the umbilical cord blood are young, fresh, and unexposed to the external environment. Thus, they have higher chances of acceptance at the time of transplant. Collecting cord blood stem cells is a quick, easy, and painless procedure for the mother and baby, since it is done immediately after the delivery and cord clamping. They are a 100% match for the baby and genetically exclusive for the sibling and the family. That makes them so unique. Cord blood stem cells are smart. If preserved, are readily available in case of emergency for the baby and family. This ensures that in situations of crisis, you wouldn't have to spend months or years finding a match donor.
Thanks.
Yay! We are indeed super strong and magical. Did you know, since 25 years, more than 35,000 cord blood stem cell transplants have already been performed worldwide, with 1,000 transplants done in India. And 53% of cord blood transplants have been performed in children. If you save cord blood stem cells now, they can be available for your family's exclusive use anytime you need. Umbilical cord blood stem cell banking is a process of collection, extraction, and preservation of stem cells for future use. Cord blood banks cryopreserve your baby's stem cells for 21 years at minus 196 degrees Celsius. A temperature where the cells are biologically inactive and their power is preserved.
Mr. STEM, we would love to preserve our baby's stem cells. But how do we do that?
Baby Cell Executive will explain it to you.
As soon as you've decided to go for stem cell preservation, you need to call a Baby Cell Executive on our toll-free number 1800-209-0309. Mention your location and hospital name, and the local team will get in touch with you immediately. If you're well before your expected due date, then you can call one of Baby Cell's representatives to complete the enrollment procedure. They can come over at your convenience and give a presentation to answer your queries in detail. Or you may even buy the collection kit right away from STEMtron, a cord blood collection kit vending machine. Collection kit is something you need to carry at the time of delivery to safely store the cord blood during transit. Baby Cells Collection Kit has 2 protection covers to exempt from X-ray exposure and ensures temperature of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius during transit to ensure stem cells are safe and alive till they reach the lab.